Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 Bluetooth audio not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now click on this filter icon in apps and then turn on show system apps. Now scroll down and here open Bluetooth. Now in Bluetooth go to its storage. Now after opening the storage of Bluetooth, clear the app data and cache memory. And after that go back to settings and in settings scroll down and here click on general management. Now here scroll down and click on reset. And then click on reset network settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm.